Hey there, Rob from Word of Mouth Floors. Okay, we're gonna do a walk around with James and Cody here in the showroom. And you're gonna show us the hot colors for right now in the summer of 2020. James, what do you got?
Rob, I will start off. One of our best moving collections is vinyl flooring. SPC stands for stone polymer composite. There's a few styles that are really selling well. To start, we've got the Clooney collection, or the Clooney style here from the Hollywood collection. It's a 6.5 mm SPC with underpad attached, commercially rated with a 0.5 mm wear layer, sometimes also referred to as 20 mil. The next big mover, right here, sorry Banksy, this is the Hofbrau house. We can't keep that style in stock. Right now, light brown, natural tones seem to be incredibly popular. From there, desert sand, keeping with that color scheme, incredibly popular. This one retails at $249, it's the killer price point. Tough one to keep in stock. We've got tons of great photos of that one on our website, lots of room scenes. Last but not least, one of our more cost-effective vinyls is the Carson. It's $189 square foot, which is an unbelievable price point. Light gray, still incredibly popular. It's a 3.5 mm SPC core with a 1.5 mm underpad attached.
Love it, love it. Cody.
Absolutely right. So let's move to engineered hardwood. Can't get away from engineered hardwood adding value to the home. Same, just as James had mentioned here, the light kind of natural tones, always popular in the house. So I would say most popular right now.
Oh, there we go.
We get out of your way here. So we got Daybreak. Comes in various widths and lengths. Also different wear layer thicknesses. So lots of different options in these collections here. Milky Way is a nice classic color. It's going to give it a little bit more of a kind of golden brown natural hardwood flooring. One of my personal favorites here is the sepia. So it's a little bit darker tone to the natural wood, but really nice. Goes in pretty much all different types of styles of your home. And then we got our new colors. It's called the Sky. Same thing. We've got lots of different widths and lengths and thicknesses. As you can see, all behind me here, we got nice long planks up to 86 inches and up to 8 3/5 inch wide. So engineered hardwood, always a high quality product, and it's always going to add value to your home.
Love it, love it. All right, James, Cody, Rob, word of mouth. Have a great day.